Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing the Nintendo Switch and comparing it with the Wii and Wii U. Here it is, the Nintendo Switch. First of all, for something that's supposed to be a portable gaming device, this box is big. There's definitely a lot of excess packaging here. The tree hugger inside me is dying right now, seeing the inefficient use of space. So just as a reference, this is what the previous Nintendo gaming console boxes look like. On the left is the Wii gaming console. The middle one is the Wii U premium pack. And on the right is your Nintendo Switch. Let me know what you think, guys. How can we improve packaging to minimize environmental impact? Feel free to post your thoughts in the comment section down below. Okay, opening the box, you'll see the console and two Joy-Con controllers. Then on the front side of the box, you can see a two-step instruction how to start the console, as well as information how to recharge the batteries of the controllers. As you can see, this is the new Nintendo Switch with neon controllers, which IMO has a more fun color than the boring gray version, or any other gaming console for that matter, because it's normally either white, gray, or black. So good on you, Nintendo, for bringing color to the gaming world. This feels really solid, well made. There's a USB Type-C connector at the bottom. Towards the side here, you can see a metal rail for the controllers on either side. Then on the top, you have the power button, volume rocker switch, cooling fans, and what appears to be a headphone jack. Wow, that's so 80s. And lastly, the game card slot. At the back, you can see the Nintendo Switch branding, a couple of cooling vents, and the kickstand. Before we continue, I thought it's fun to see the Wii U, and Switch consoles next to each other. As you can see here in this photo, it's evident that Moore's Law is very hard at work. Let me know what you think, guys. Which one's your favorite Nintendo gaming console? Just put them in the comments down below and I'll read them offline. Then we have the Joy-Con controllers in neon color, blue and red. Holding it for the first time, I must say they feel really tiny. I mean, I don't have big hands, but they feel really small. But I think once you connect them to the console, everything will make sense. That clicking sound is so satisfying. So trying that again on the left hand side. Nice. It has that reassuring sound that the controller is securely in place. Now that the two controllers are connected, it actually makes sense, you know? It kind of reminds me of the Wii U controller. But with the Wii U, I never really used it that way. I always have it hooked up on TV and use the Wii remote. Okay, now this is the Joy-Con grip. So if you're using the Switch in TV or tabletop mode, you can either use the Joy-Con by itself, you know, holding one on each hand, or connect them both to this grip, just like I'll show you now. Like the console, the Joy-Con grip has rails on either side, and when both controllers are connected, you suddenly transform your Switch into a serious gaming console. It still feels really small to the hand though. I think the grip could use a bit more angle going out, but it's okay, it works. Then you have two Joy-Con straps you can attach to the controller so it doesn't fly off and hit someone or something. I remember when the Wii first came out, there was a lot of insurance claims made on broken TVs. Luckily, these new Joy-Con controllers aren't big enough to cause real damage, but you know, you still attach the strap to be safe. Then you have the Nintendo Switch dock, which you can use to connect the Switch to your TV. And finally, we have a bunch of cables here. You have your power and your HDMI cable. There you have it, guys, the Nintendo Switch gaming console. Awesome piece of tech in such a small form factor. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that bell notification icon so you don't miss any of my new video updates. Thanks for watching.
Uh-oh.